Ah, awesome. Ready? Now let's fly this paper plane. Hi everybody, welcome to another paper airplane tutorial. Today I am going to teach you how to make a new cool paper airplane. This paper airplane is very easy to make and it looks very cool. And now let's start. First step, let's fold the paper in half this way. And then unfold the paper. Now start from the top, first straight to the other side. And then unfold the paper. Now start from this edge, forward to this side, this crease. And then repeat the same fold for the other side. And then unfold the paper. Now let's turn the paper this way and then match both edges to this crease. Okay, when you try to match it, both edges here will match up, and then you can press down the paper. When you press down the paper, you can fold the whole part here to the side. So for in this case, I'll fold to the left first, and then I'll fold to the right. I'll need to make sure that both edges are even, and then I fold both edges to the right, and then I fold up, and then I open both layers, and then I push this side down. So this is what we have. Perfect. Okay, next step, let's match this edge to the center crease. And repeat the same fold for the other side. Perfect. And what will be next? And then I'll fold this layer to the other side, and I match this edge to the center crease. And when I match the edge to the center crease, I will make sure that this edge will cross right at the corner. So move the paper up here a little bit. Make sure that you will see what I'm doing. And repeat the same fold for the other side. Now let's fold this layer back here. Same thing for this side, and then match this edge to this center crease. And you can adjust it a little bit to make sure that the edge will cross at this corner. That's the whole point we're trying to do. Is it off a little bit, but it should be okay. So I will adjust the other side. Make sure that both sides are even. And then I'll fold this side back here. So we have like one layer, two layers. So we have two parts of the planes overlap each other. Now let's do a little bit more. Okay, so first step, let's fold this tip to this line. And when you fold this to this line, you can see this crease right here. Just use that crease as a reference to fold this part up. So you just finish that part, right? Fold this part up. That's look perfect. On the following step, very simple. I will fold this layer back here so that you can see the other side. To fold it, you have the crease here already. Let's fold this side back, and then let's match this edge out here to the crease that we just fold up. It has been there, but we can enhance it. So one side, and same thing for the other side. Let me turn the paper this way, and I will show you how to fold it. When you finish one side and the other side, you can fold the whole part up. Let's fold it part up to hold us together. Right, so the plants look very nice so far, and we still have this part of the plant. And now what will be next? I will fold the paper in half. I'll fold the paper in half this way. Let's match this edge to this side to create the wings, and repeat the same fold for the other side. Let me flip the paper over and repeat the same fold. So you see the line here already. I fold it in advance so that I can show you quickly. And here you go. This is what we have. Make sure that both edges are lined up, so if both sides are even, the plant will fly very well. Okay, and here you go. This is how the plant should look like. Let's open the wings and make sure that this part stays straight, and flatten out the wing as well. Oh, do not press it so hard. If you do it, you may break the plant. So, okay, fix it. Make sure that the wings are flat. And here you go. This is a new paper airplane. Test it out, and I hope you guys will enjoy making this plane. Don't forget to give the video a thumb up, share the tutorial with your friends, and subscribe. Thank you for watching, and see you next time. Bye.